Happy birthday, Eden.
What's this little present?
6 today.
This little present. Will you open it?
Yeah, in a minute. Keep
I
on.
want to open this big, huge one.
What do you think that is?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Can you bring it down
Uh-huh.
to the floor? It's so big.
Let's pull it open. What is it?
Little peek.
Is it?
Because I have a little peek.
Wow. What a cool toy. For all your animals. Now that you're 6, you get to look after all your animals, huh? Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, happy birthday, baby. I'm going to help you open the rest. Yeah, okay.